Hey guys, so this is my very first video. Actually, it's my first real project that I ever filmed. I'm in the garage today working on a Mercedes W210. I took the instrument cluster out of the car and brought it into the garage. Then, I carefully disassembled it. Important tip guys, when removing the needles, always turn them counterclockwise and gently pull them toward yourself. Be patient and take your time. After the needles are off, I peeled off the gauge faces. On the back side, there's a colored filter layer, kind of like a tinted film. That filter needs to go. I sanded it down using fine grit sandpaper until the surface was clean. Once that's done, just keep following along in the video. It's all step by step, and confident, trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. Next up, there was this white plastic piece. Honestly, the first time I tried to take it apart, I couldn't figure it out. So yeah, I just broke it. But it's okay, we don't need it anyway. Now, we move on to the LED boards. I actually made these earlier and they're ready to go. And hey, if you're curious about how I made these boards, just drop a comment below and I'll make a full video on that too. Alright, let's keep going, and don't forget to hit that like button guys. Your support really means a lot to me. As you can see, all the LEDs are now soldered to the boards. Time to test them out. So here's how it works, guys. For the gauge faces, I use white LEDs. And for the needles, I go with red LEDs. Now, sometimes my clients ask for something different, like blue needles and red backlighting. But honestly, on a Mercedes, I'm not sure that combo would look right. Still, as they say, the customer is always right. So we try, we build, we experiment. After testing everything, I just take the LED board and install it back onto the cluster. To attach it, you can use either silicone sealant or hot glue. Considering, personally, I go with hot glue. It's fast, clean, and it holds everything in place just fine. Once that's done, we start putting everything back together, just like you saw earlier in the video, but in reverse order. Now, moving on to cleaning the gauge faces. I use sandpaper to carefully clean the inside surfaces. Make sure everything's smooth and clear. Once it's all cleaned up, I put everything back together,